Welcome to the School of Crypto Lights YouTube channel. Imagine waking up to see your money working for you while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, welcome to the world of cryptocurrency trading. But before you jump in, let me tell you this. 90% of beginners lose money because they don't know what they're doing. In this video, I'm going to break down crypto trading in the simplest way possible so you can start smart and avoid common mistakes. Stick around till the end because I'll also be revealing a powerful tip that pro traders use to maximize their profits. All right, let's dive in. So, what exactly is crypto trading? Simply put, it's the act of buying and selling digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana to make a profit. Just like trading stocks, but with a twist, crypto never sleeps. The market runs 24/7, meaning opportunities and risks are always present. But before we start trading, we need to understand the basics. Let's talk about the two main types of trading: spot trading and futures trading. Spot trading is straightforward. You buy a crypto coin at a low price and sell it when the price goes up. Simple, right? Futures trading, on the other hand, is a bit more advanced. It allows you to trade with leverage, meaning you can trade with more money than you actually have. Sounds tempting? Be careful. While you can make a lot of money, you can also lose everything in seconds. Now that you understand the basics, let's get into the actual steps of trading. Step-by-step guide to trading crypto. Step 1. Choose a reliable exchange. You'll need a crypto exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. These platforms allow you to buy, sell, and trade crypto. Make sure you choose a trusted one with low fees. Step 2. Learn to read market charts. Ever seen those red and green candles moving up and down? That's called a candlestick chart. It tells you how the price of a coin is changing. Understanding these charts will help you make better trading decisions. Step 3. Start small. Buy your first crypto. As a beginner, don't rush in with all your money. Start small, maybe $10 or $50, and buy your first coin. This way, you learn without risking too much. Step 4. Set a trading strategy. You need a game plan. Are you holding your crypto for months, investor? Or do you want to buy and sell daily, day trader? Decide your strategy and stick to it. Step 5. Manage your risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Set stop-loss orders to protect yourself from massive losses. How to spot good trades in crypto. Here's the part most beginners miss. How do you know when to buy or sell? Trading in the cryptocurrency market can be exciting, but it can also be risky if you don't know what you're doing. Many beginners make the mistake of buying randomly or selling out of panic. The key to making good trades is to follow a strategy, understand the market, and stay informed. Here are 3 important tips that can help you spot good trading opportunities. Tip number 1. Follow the trend. If the market is going up, don't fight it. Trade with the trend, not against it. One of the best ways to increase your chances of success is to trade in the direction of the trend. If a cryptocurrency is consistently going up, it means buyers are in control and the price is likely to continue rising. On the other hand, if the price is dropping, sellers are in control, and it's best to wait for a better opportunity. How to identify a trend? Check if the price is making higher highs and higher lows, uptrend. Check if the price is making lower highs and lower lows, downtrend. Use a simple moving average, like the 50-day or 200-day moving average, to see if the trend is up or down. Pro tip: trying to predict the exact top or bottom of a trend is very difficult. Instead, ride the trend until there are signs of reversal. Tip number 2. Use indicators. Tools like RSI and moving averages can help you spot when a coin is overbought, too expensive, or oversold, cheap and ready to rise. Technical indicators are powerful tools that help traders analyze price movements and make informed decisions. Here are 2 essential ones. Relative Strength Index, RSI. RSI measures whether a coin is overbought or oversold on a scale of 0 to 100. If RSI is above 70, the coin might be overbought. Too expensive, may go down. If RSI is below 30, the coin might be oversold. Cheap, may go up soon. Moving Averages, MA. Moving averages smooth out price data to show the overall trend. A golden cross, when the short-term MA crosses above the long-term MA, can signal a strong uptrend. A death cross, when the short-term MA crosses below the long-term MA, can signal a downtrend. Pro tip: use these indicators together rather than relying on just one. A strong signal is when multiple indicators confirm the same thing. Tip number 3. Stay updated. News moves the market. Keep an eye on crypto news, Twitter, and global events. They can send prices skyrocketing or crashing overnight. The crypto market is highly influenced by news, social media, and global events. A single announcement can cause massive price movements within minutes. Where to get news updates? Follow reliable sources like CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and Binance News. Check Twitter for updates from influencers, developers, and major investors. Join crypto communities on Telegram and Discord to get insights from other traders. Events that can impact prices, regulation news. If a government announces new laws on crypto, it can cause fear or excitement in the market. Adoption news. If big companies start using or accepting a cryptocurrency, the price can surge. Security breaches. News about hacks or scams can cause panic selling. Bitcoin. Halving and market cycles. Certain events like Bitcoin halving, which reduces the number of new Bitcoins, can affect prices over time. Pro tip: don't believe every piece of news you see. Always verify information from multiple sources before making trading decisions. Trading is not about luck. It's about strategy, research, and discipline. By following trends, using indicators, and staying updated on market news, you can make better trading decisions and reduce risks. Always remember to manage your risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and keep learning. And there you have it, your complete beginner's guide to trading crypto. Now, you're not just another newbie, you're an informed trader. But remember, crypto is risky, and patience is key. So take your time, start small, and learn every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on my latest tips. And let me know in the comments, which crypto are you planning to trade first? I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading!